हेलो लर्नर्स, आज हम सीखेंगे प्रीपोजिशंस यानी ऐसे शब्द जो किसी नाउन या प्रोनाउन का किसी और शब्द से क्या संबंध है यह बताते हैं। अ प्रीपोजिशन इज अ वर्ड which shows the relationship of a noun or a pronoun with another word in a sentence. प्रीपोजिशन वह शब्द होता है जो किसी संज्ञा या सर्वनाम का वाक्य के दूसरे हिस्से से संबंध बताता है। आइए उदाहरणों से समझते हैं। एग्जाम्पल 1, There are 4 eggs in the basket. पहला उदाहरण, There are 4 eggs in the basket. यहां in शब्द दर्शाता है कि अंडे कहां है, टोकरी के अंदर। एग्जाम्पल 2, They reached home at 10. At शब्द समय बताने के लिए प्रयोग हुआ है, वे 10 बजे घर पहुंचे। एग्जाम्पल 3, We were walking along the road. Along का अर्थ है साथ साथ। हम सड़क के किनारे चल रहे थे। एग्जाम्पल 4, The dog walked behind his master. Behind मतलब पीछे। कुत्ता अपने मालिक के पीछे चला। एग्जाम्पल 5, I bought it for ₹10. For यहां कारण या कीमत दर्शा रहा है, यानी मैंने उसे 10 रुपए में खरीदा। अब हम और 10 उदाहरणों को समझते हैं जिनमें अलग अलग प्रीपोजिशंस का प्रयोग हुआ है। हर उदाहरण के साथ हम यह भी समझेंगे कि प्रीपोजिशन कैसे संबंध दर्शाता है। ध्यान से सुनिए और समझिए। एग्जाम्पल 6, द कैट इज अंडर द टेबल। अंडर यानी नीचे, बिल्ली मेज के नीचे है। एग्जाम्पल 7, द बॉल वेंट ओवर द फेंस। ओवर का मतलब है ऊपर से पार, गेंद बार के ऊपर से चली गई। एग्जाम्पल 8, शी सैट बिसाइड हर फ्रेंड। बिसाइड का मतलब है बगल में, वह अपनी दोस्त के बगल में बैठी। एग्जाम्पल 9, द कीज आर ऑन द टेबल। ऑन यानी ऊपर, चाबियां मेज पर है। एग्जाम्पल 10, ही जम्प्ड इनटू द पूल। इनटू का अर्थ है अंदर की ओर जाना, वह पूल में कूद गया। एग्जाम्पल 11, द डॉग इज बिटवीन द चेयर्स। बिटवीन मतलब दो चीजों के बीच, कुत्ता 2 कुर्सियों के बीच में है। एग्जाम्पल 12, द पिक्चर हैंग्स अबव द बेड। अबव यानी ऊपर, तस्वीर बिस्तर के ऊपर लटकी है। एग्जाम्पल 13, ही वॉक्ड अक्रॉस द स्ट्रीट। अक्रॉस मतलब आर पार, वह सड़क पार कर गया। एग्जाम्पल 14, शी स्टूड नियर द विंडो। नियर यानी पास में, वह खिड़की के पास खड़ी थी। एग्जाम्पल 15, ही रैन आफ्टर द बस। आफ्टर यानी पीछे पीछे, वह बस के पीछे दौड़ा। Now let's learn some common prepositions of place. These tell us the position or location of something. यानी ये शब्द किसी चीज की जगह बताते हैं। Let's go through each one with meaning. Across means from one side to the other. Example, he ran across the field. Across एक तरफ से दूसरी तरफ जाना। एक in meaning inside something. Example, the apples are in the basket. दो on meaning resting on the surface. Example, the book is on the table. 3 under meaning lower than something. Example, the shoes are under the bed. 4 over meaning above and covering. Example, the umbrella is over his head. 5 above meaning higher than something, not touching. Example, the clock is above the door. 6 below meaning lower than something. Example, the temperature is below 0. 7 behind meaning at the back of something. Example, the car is behind the truck. 8 in front of meaning ahead or before something. Example, the teacher is standing in front of the class. No. Next to meaning beside or close to. Example, she is sitting next to her friend. Between meaning in the middle of 2 things. Example, the ball is between the shoes. 11 among meaning in the middle of a group. Example, she was sitting among her friends. 12 across meaning from one side to the other. Example, he ran across the road. 13 against meaning touching or in contact with. Example, the chair is against the wall. against के सटे या टकराकर. Let us now move on to some more examples of prepositions. These are 24 commonly used ones. Across, the bridge goes across the river. Behind, the cat is behind the sofa. From, she came from the kitchen. On, the book is on the table. Down, the ball rolled down the stairs. Against, the ladder is against the wall. Below, the valley lies below the hill. Into, he jumped into the pool. At, she is standing at the door. Along, they walked along the beach. Among, he sat among his friends. After, the child ran after the dog. Under, the shoes are under the bed. Beside, the lamp is beside the sofa. Between, the park is between two buildings. In, the pencils are in the box. By, he sat by the fire. Over, the plane flew over the city. Up, the monkey climbed up the tree. Before, stand before the mirror. To, he walked to the school. Near, the shop is near the post office. Upon, the gift was placed upon the table. Above, the painting hangs above the couch. Now get ready for the test. Fill in the blanks with prepositions of place such as in, on, at, between, among, into, against, along, across, above, below. Now get ready for the test. Fill in the blanks with the correct prepositions of place. Listen carefully and try to answer. Let's begin. He lives 5 कस्तूरबा मार्ग, Delhi. वह दिल्ली के 5 कस्तूरबा मार्ग पर रहता है. Her house is the 3 RD floor. उसका घर 3री मंजिल पर है. He drove the car, the pavement. उसने गाड़ी फुटपाथ के साथ-साथ चलाई. We could see the mountains, the river. हमने नदी के पार पहाड़ों को देखा. The old man could not stand up. He leant the wall. वह बूढ़ा आदमी खड़ा नहीं हो सका. वह दीवार के सहारे झुक गया. The car broke down, the middle of the road. गाड़ी सड़क के बीच में खराब हो गई. The water in the river rose, the danger mark. नदी का पानी खतरे के निशान से ऊपर चला गया. The temperature was 2 degrees, the freezing point. तापमान 0 से 2 डिग्री नीचे था. When the sun sets, it goes the horizon. जब सूरज डूबता है, वह क्षितिज के नीचे चला जाता है. The teacher sat, the students. शिक्षक छात्रों के बीच में बैठ गए. 8 comes, 7 and 9. 8 आता है, 7 और 9 के बीच. He got his car and drove away. वह अपनी कार में बैठा और चला गया. We took a boat and went the river. हमने एक नाव ली और नदी के पार गए. She looked the mirror. उसने आईने में देखा. He placed the ladder, the tree and climbed up. उसने पेड़ के पास सीढ़ी लगाई और ऊपर चढ़ गया. Here are answers. At, on, along, across, against, in, above, below, among, between, into, across, into, against. Now explanation for the answers. He lives at 5 Kasturba Marg, Delhi. We use at for specific address. At 5 Kasturba Marg, एक निश्चित पते के लिए at का प्रयोग होता है. Her house is on the 3rd floor. On is used when something is placed over a surface or floor. On the 3 RD floor मतलब तीसरी मंजिल पर. He drove the car along the pavement. Along means moving in the same direction as something. वह फुटपाथ के साथ-साथ चला. We could see the mountains across the river. Across means from one side to the other side. नदी के पार पहाड़ दिखाई दे रहे थे. The old man could not stand up. He leant against the wall. Against is used when someone or something is touching another surface. वह दीवार के सहारे झुका. The car broke down in the middle of the road. In is used for enclosed or surrounded areas. सड़क के बीच में. The water in the river rose above the danger mark. Above means higher than something. पानी खतरे के निशान से ऊपर चला गया. The temperature was 2 degrees below the freezing point. Below means lower than something. तापमान 0 से 2 डिग्री नीचे था. When the sun sets it goes below the horizon. Again, below means under or lower than something. सूरज क्षितिज के नीचे चला जाता है. The teacher sat among the students. Among is used when something is in the middle of more than two people or things. शिक्षक विद्यार्थियों के बीच बैठे थे. 8 comes between 7 and 9. Between is used when referring to two things. 7 और 9 के बीच में 8 आता है. He got into his car and drove away. Into means movement towards the inside. वह कार के अंदर गया. We took a boat and went across the river. Across means from one side to the other side. नदी को पार किया. She looked into the mirror. Into is used when you look deep or inside something. उसने आईने के अंदर देखा. He placed the ladder against the tree and climbed up. Against shows contact with the surface. उसने सीढ़ी पैर से सटा कर लगाई. In question number 14, there might be some confusion among you, and that's absolutely okay. Let's clear it up together. The question was, she looked dash the mirror. Now, both look at and look into seem correct, right? Let's understand the difference. Look at means to simply direct your eyes towards something. Example, she looked at the mirror. यानी उसने आईने की तरफ देखा. Look into means to observe inside, or look with focus and attention. Example, she looked into the mirror. यानी उसने आईने में खुद को ध्यान से देखा. In this sentence, looked into the mirror makes more sense. Because she is likely checking her reflection, not just glancing at the mirror. So remember, look at, देखना. Look into, अंदर झांकना या ध्यान से देखना. Final answer, into the mirror. So learners, we have now understood what prepositions are, how they are used, and we even solved a practice test together. I hope it helped clear your doubts. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and comment, yes, if you want part 2, test 2 with more preposition questions and explanations. And of course, subscribe to Excellent Tutorial for more such helpful English grammar and study videos. See you soon in the next one. Till then, keep learning and keep practicing.